Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We will explain how to transfer your domain from one registrar to another in a smooth and efficient process that takes only a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Namecheap website. Once you arrive at the home page, you will notice several options. Look for the section labeled Domains. Selecting this option will lead you to various domain-related services provided by Namecheap. From there, locate and click on the Domain Transfer feature. This section is specifically designed for users who want to move their domain from another registrar to Namecheap. At this point, it's important to understand that the transfer process is straightforward, and the interface is designed to guide you clearly through each step. After clicking on Domain Transfer, you will be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to transfer. Make sure to type the domain name carefully and accurately. Even a small mistake can cause delays or complications later in the process. Once the domain name is entered, the system will ask for your EPP code, also known as the authorization code. This code is essential because it confirms that you have permission to transfer the domain from your current registrar. The authorization code is usually provided by your current registrar and serves as proof of ownership. It is recommended to have this code ready before starting the transfer process to avoid interruptions. After entering both the domain name and the correct EPP code, click on the Add to Cart option. This step confirms your request and moves the transfer process forward. Before proceeding, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered. Double-check the spelling of the domain name and ensure the authorization code is accurate to prevent any issues. The next step is to complete the payment for the transfer. Domain transfers typically include a standard fee and often extend your domain registration by 1 year. Review the payment details carefully and confirm that everything is correct before finalizing the transaction. Once the payment is successfully completed, your domain transfer request will be activated and Namecheap will begin processing it. During this time, it is important to monitor your email inbox. Both your current registrar and Namecheap may send confirmation emails that require your approval to continue the transfer. Checking and responding to these emails promptly will help ensure that the transfer is completed smoothly and without unnecessary delays. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully transfer your domain and begin managing it through Namecheap's secure and user-friendly domain management system. And that's it. Transferring domain from Hostinger to Namecheap saves time and keeps you organized. Thank you for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.